Ever wondered how to get the most out of your PC battery life? In our increasingly digital world, we rely heavily on our devices, and nothing is quite as frustrating as a PC that can't keep up with our demands due to a failing battery. Maximizing your PC's battery life is not just about convenience, it's about productivity, connectivity, and making the most of your tech investments. So, stay tuned to learn how to save your PC battery and make it last longer. First off, let's tackle the biggest battery drain, the screen. Dimming your screen brightness can be as simple as pressing the Fn plus F5 or Fn plus F6 keys on your keyboard. You can also adjust it manually by heading over to the Settings app and selecting Display. Here, you'll find a slider that lets you control the brightness. Just slide it to a level that's comfortable for your eyes and kind to your battery. Remember, the darker the screen, the more battery power you save. Next up, let's focus on those sneaky power-draining apps and programs. They're like the silent thieves of your battery life, running in the background, unseen but not unfelt. So it's time to close any apps and programs that you're not using. But how do you know which ones are the culprits? That's where the Task Manager comes in. It's a handy tool that shows you which apps and programs are using the most battery power. Close them and voila! A clean Task Manager means a happy battery. Now let's take advantage of Windows Power Saver mode. This handy feature is designed to extend your battery life when you need it the most. Here's how to enable it. Open up your Settings app and locate the Battery and Amp Power section. In there, you'll find the Battery Saver mode. Simply toggle the switch to on. This mode will reduce your PC's performance slightly, but it will significantly extend your battery life. With Power Saver mode on, your PC battery should last much longer. Let's now turn our attention to unused hardware. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are examples of hardware that consume power even when not actively in use. To disable them, head over to the Settings app. You'll find options for both under Bluetooth and AMP devices and Network and AMP Internet. With a few simple clicks, you can turn off these features and save some battery juice. It's a simple rule, really. If you're not using it, turn it off. In this part, we're going to talk about heat and outdated drivers. Keeping your PC cool is crucial, as heat can significantly reduce battery life. Use a laptop stand or fan and regularly clean out the dust to improve airflow. Next, let's consider your drivers. Outdated drivers can cause unnecessary battery drain, so it's essential to keep them up to date. You can do this by using a driver updater tool or visiting your PC components manufacturer's websites. A cool PC and updated drivers are key to a longer battery life. Lastly, sometimes the best solution is a fresh start. If your battery life is lagging despite all your efforts, it might be time to replace it. Opt for a new battery from your PC's manufacturer or a trusted retailer. A new battery can breathe new life into your PC. So, those are my top tips on how to maximize your PC battery life. From reducing screen brightness, closing unnecessary apps, to keeping your device cool and updating drivers. Remember, if all else fails, a battery replacement could be the key. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.